Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What's that sound I hear? What's that sound? What is it? Try and guess what that was all about. There you go. That was for Clay, that opening. His little impersonation of me. He did in his contest video. And the reason I'm doing that is because, well, this box set series is from him, basically. I won this in his contest. The Omen box set has the Omen 30th Anniversary Edition, Damien, Omen 2, Omen 3, The Final Conflict, Omen 4, The Awakening, and the Omen remake. And I got it rocking over here. The first one. Quite possibly one of the craziest scenes in horror movie history. Yeah. Anyway, let's get on with this. Don't look at the dog! Damien, put the dog down, Damien. So, let's get this started. What the fuck is, first of all, I think I've said this before. What is going on here? That's why I brought the North American version out that I had before. Okay. You guys in the UK gotta explain this chaos to me. 1818. I figured it's the ratings, but they switch. The numbers switch on the. So why do you have it on there on the back too? There she goes. Why don't you hang around a while? Oh, sorry. Bad joke. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So you got them both. Two more on the back here. 1818. Fit for viewing by persons age 18 years or more. Oh, okay, it's actually saying it here. And the other one says, contains strong violence and horror, suitable only for persons of 18 years and over, not to be supplied. So why do you have two of them? Why is there two? Okay, you only need one. There's an 18 rating right there. Why do you need a second one? Why do you need a... Okay, it says it all right there. It says it all. And why do you need this one? I don't get this. And then, okay, we're going to go inside. And then, see on the disc, 15. The Omen disc is in there. That was, I put it in. So you got double your action there again. Then more, double here, 1815. 1815. 1515. It's just... It's all over the place. Okay, let me show you the North American. This is my copy that I had before. Well, I still have, but where are the ratings? Can you see them? I actually couldn't even find... There is a rating usually on them, but I think this is your little fucking tiny R rating right there. I don't understand what is... why it's so crazy. I understand like from the 80s the video nasties things, but that why is there two? Why? You guys have got to explain that to me. Anyway, let's get on with the you get going off on that. So the Omen is in there. The classic. Yeah, it was right there. The classic, obviously one of the greatest fucking horror movies ever shot. My favorite scene actually just went by. That's why I started off there with that chaos of the girl looking at the devil dog and then hanging herself after. It gets pretty nuts though. Like the ending to this could be the craziest I've ever fucking seen, with them, the dogs chasing them in the cemetery, and just everything going fucking nuts with what's his name there? Yeah, throw it around. It's Gregory Peck. I knew that. I was going to say that, but I wasn't too sure. There he is right there. And yeah, so that's amazing part one. The remake, the son of the devil. He's the devil. That was from a comedy act I saw before. I think it was Jim Carrey on In Living Color. But there's the crappy ass, shitty ass remake that I did not like at all. It was... No, I won't even talk about it. So yeah, Damien, right here, Damien the Omen 2. Very, very good sequel. It did have some of the elements that the Omen had, except I think that kid in the Omen, fuck me running. He didn't say much, but just his presence, like that creepy little... I don't know. He's more grown up in the sequel. Still, that kid in the sequel had the look of something was going on there sometimes, but he was a little bit older, and yeah, it's obviously a great sequel to the Omen. A must-see for the series. So let's get to the Omen 3. It was your basic. They just tried to continue the story. It was nothing special about it. If you missed part 3, you're not gonna be thrown out of the series. Let's just put it that way. Basically, the series to me is part 1 and 2, because part 3 and part 4 is just continuing with it was dribble, those two. It was just like a straight line. I hope you know what I'm talking about if you've seen them. It's just continues off where the second one left. To me, the essential ones to watching this is the Omen and Damien. The Omen 2. This is the extras, I think, isn't it? Oh no, that's part 4. What is it? Okay, which disc is this? That has to be the extras, I think. One of these two. Is that the sequel, remake? Well, that could be the remake. So what was this disc? Or is this the extras? That must have been the extras disc too. Because there's awesome, what did it say about the extras? They're all on there, I guess. It doesn't say. But the extras are awesome. I was watching it, everything about the Omen, all the stuff that happened. That's right, all this crazy stuff that happened during the filming of it is just fucking amazing to see that. Like, all this weird things that happened. More than weird, someone died on a plane. It wasn't during the filming of it, but they were flying out to it, and just the weird circumstances that led up to what happened. I don't know. It was pretty crazy. You'd have to watch The Extras. There's a lot of weird occurrences that almost like something was preventing them to make the movie, to finish the movie. And I don't know if you believe in that shit, but there was a lot of damn good evidence to believe that something was going on to complete the Omen from 1976. So, yeah, that's it. There is my box set series deal, not the other word, not the R word, for the Omen pentalogy. I'll fucking hide those. I'll hide them. I'm fucking hiding them. Hope you enjoyed it. Rock you later.